V1, V2, V3. Let's learn verb forms. Eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone. Make, made, made. Run, ran, run. Write, wrote, written. Sing, sang, sung. Buy, bought, bought. See, saw, seen. Do, did, done. Come, came, come. Feel, felt, felt. Bring, brought, brought. Know, knew, known. Think, thought, thought. Leave, left, left. Begin, began, begun. Drive, drove, driven. Stand, stood, stood. Meet, met, met. Speak, spoke, spoken. Wear, wore, worn. Choose, chose, chosen. Teach, taught, taught. Catch, caught, caught. Build, built, built. Drive, drove, driven. Fight, fought, fought. Read, read, read. Stand, stood, stood. Win, won, won. Now let's take a quick test on how much did we learn. Now let's look at the questions. They are blank, play in the park. Now which verb form will you write in the blank? Think about it and give your answer in the comment section. They are blank in the park. Let's go to the second question. See blanks write letters every day. See blanks write letters every day. Let me know your answer in the comment section. Now let's hop to the answer. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. C writes letters every day. C writes letters every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.